everyone! Good evening! Welcome back mga Racket for another Racket Series content. I'm Chris and this is the Racket Core channel. Ayan. For tonight, I would like to give thanks first to Jollibee Atherton. Ayan, Jollibee Atherton for giving me their last 4 boxes ng kiddie meal. Ayan. So, binigay nila sa akin lahat ng kiddie meal nila na natitira. Ayan. Wala naman akong kaagaw. Pero kung may kaagaw man ako doon na kid, then bibigay ko naman sa kanya. Ayan. So, please, don't badge me as a scalper. Ayan, please lang. And then, for our content today, I will also cross it with opening the PRB02 na binili lang natin kanina. Ayan. So, binili natin to sa Uptown Mall, Toys R Us. I'm not sure. Ayan. Actually, plano ko siya buksan kanina while I was driving, but I think I don't have the sleeves and I don't have the top loaders, if ever. Ayan. But, ito man ibubuksan natin for our content. Ayan. Apparently, I discovered the secret on opening the box without hurting the top. Diba? Which is just pulling this one. Ayan. Diba? Na-open na. Kasi yung previous box ko na ang laman is Seriolo, isinira ko sa taas. So ngayon, tinape ko na lang siya para pwede pa siya i-trade sa iba. Diba? Ngayon, ang sabi sa akin ni ate is, I was so lucky daw because the 4 items here are very different. Ayun. So, wala pa tayo nito. The first Pokemon that we got for tonight is, kung makikita nyo, ayaw magpakita. Paano ba yan, guys? Tingnan ko, ayaw eh. Wala talaga. Ayaw mag-zoom eh. Ayan. So, si Vulpix ang nakalagay. I-open na lang natin si Vulpix kasi wala pa naman tayo nito. Just in case lang na mali yung nakalagay dito, may video tayo, di ba? Papalitan natin kay Jollibee na Vulpix yung nakalagay sa name nyo, pero iba yung laman. Di ba? So, that's the good thing about recording your videos para meron kayong documentation. So, let's start. Vulpix is on the red ball. Ayan, dito siya. And red ball din naman yung nakuha natin, which is Pokeball, ang tawag na dito. Let's see na lang kung si Vulpix na naman sa loob. I hope open. Okay. So, right about it. It's Vulpix. Okay. Ayan. So, wala pa tayong Vulpix. Lalagyan natin siya sa collections natin ng Pokemons. So, for this box, ayan, pwede pa siyang magamit for another, ayan, for trading. I will open the second box. So, let's see. Bukan natin to. Lo, ayun. So, from the paper, it says Psyduck. Ayan. Hindi sa mabasa eh. Psyduck. Hello, Psyduck. Psyduck ang nakalagay. Psyduck. Diba? So, wala pa din tayong Psyduck. Kaya, bubuksan na natin to. Okay? Yung huli ko nakuha was si Golduck. Psyduck is on the Pokeball. Ayan. There is Psyduck. Okay. So, i-open na natin. Makikita natin kung si Psyduck nga yun naman. Yes! And yes, it is Psyduck. Who's that Pokemon? It's Psyduck! Okay. So, we got 2 red Pokeballs right now in my table. I was expecting... What's this one? Okay. Let's see. Again, the magic trick goes below. Diba? Ayan na kagad yung paper niya. Nakalabas na. O sige, pinapamigay na nila ate for the reason. So what we got here is a Munchlack. Ayan, a Munchlack. Diba? Munchlack. Wala pa ba ako nun? Munchlack sa Pokeball. Ano ba yung nakuha ko sa Pokeball? Nakuha ko na si Pichu saka si Riolu. Okay. I'm gonna confirm first. So, ito yung Pokeball ko na nakuha ko doon sa previous episode natin. I-open ko lang muna yung laman kung hindi nga siya duplicate. Yes, Pichu. And Riolo nga. Okay. So, wala pa tayong duplicate sa Pokeball. Because itong i-open natin is si Munchlack na. Okay. Malapit na natin makompleto lahat, guys. Yan. So, ito na yung si Aga Munchlack natin. Diba? Amazing. Okay. Lapit na, guys. So, 5 na yung red na Pokeballs that I have right now. I was wondering what would be our last Pokemon. Diba? So, nandito na rin yung white paper for our last Pokemon. Oh, okay. I already have this Pokemon. Ayan, kung makikita niyo dito. Ay, hindi pala kita dito. Ayan. Diba? It's Pikachu. Yeah. So, hindi ko na i-open si Pikachu. It's because I know for the fact that it's Pikachu of the Great Ball. Ilalagay ko na lang siya dito. And I'm willing to trade this doon sa mga Pokemon na wala pa ako. So, yung wala pa tayo right now is si Ninetales and si Lucario. Okay? So, what I have here is a Riolu, a duplicate Riolu, and a Lucario. No. A duplicate Riolu and a Pikachu. So, kung meron man kayong Ninetales and Lucario, then, yeah, trade tayo. Once na nakompleto ko na to, any duplicates that I will have from my next Happy Meal, then probably ipapamigay ko na lang siya for my friends, for my subscribers, mga ganun. Okay? Just message me. Kaya kung sino mauna mag-message, edi sa kanya na. So, yun lang. Ganun lang kadali yung mechanics natin. Hindi naman super collectibles to. So, ayun lang, guys. So, tinape ko na. Ayan. Naka-tape na siya. Ito na si Pikachu. Ito naman si Riolu. Diba? Riolu and Pikachu. Ayan. Para madali nating ma-determine. So, Pokeball is pag nasa taas, and then Great Ball pag nasa baba. Ayan. Ganyan ako mag-label ngayon. Okay. So, yun lang, guys. For more videos related to opening blind boxes of Happy Meal, or let's try the other fast food. Kay McDo naman yung try natin. Ayan. And then, if you're interested for the items that you see in this video, please message me on my Facebook account or in this YouTube channel so that it can be given to you or we can trade. Ayun lang. Ganun lang kadali yung usapan natin. Huwag natin pahirapan. Let's not make it overpriced. Ayun lang. Okay? So, for more videos like this, just always click the like, subscribe and the notification button. On the YouTube or in Facebook, just follow me. Okay? And this is Chris of the Racket Core channel. Goodbye.